Chapter 3 Charts in Excel. Learning Outcomes. Charts in Microsoft Excel. Advantages of charts. Components of a chart. Types of charts. Creating a chart. Resizing, moving and deleting charts. Formatting charts. Introduction. You must have seen various graphs and diagrams in a cricket match showing scores of terms, runs per over, fall of wickets and so on. These graphs and diagrams are called charts. You can easily create a chart in Excel. In this chapter, you will learn about charts in Microsoft Excel 2010. Charts in Microsoft Excel. A pictorial representation of numeric data is called charts or graphs. Charts are an excellent way to condense large amounts of information into easy-to-understand formats that can clearly highlight the points you'd like to make. Advantages of charts. There are many advantages of charts. Some of them are: charts can display a lot of information in an easy-to-understand format. Charts present data and information in an attractive manner. They are easier to understand and compare. Charts provide more accurate analysis of information. They have a long-lasting effect on the mind than simple data statement. Components of a chart. Before we discuss the types of charts, let us understand the various components of a chart. First, chart area. It is the area in which all the components of a chart are present. Plot area is a part of chart area which contains the chart. Chart title is the heading given to a chart. Axis title. It is the title given to an axis. A 2D chart has two axes, X and Y, and a 3D chart has three axes, X, Y, and Z. X-axis. It is the horizontal axis of the chart, also known as the category axis. Y-axis is the vertical axis of the chart, also known as value axis. Grid lines. Grid lines are horizontal or vertical lines that are useful for reading values of the data point. Data label. It is a label that provides additional information about a data point on a chart. Legend. It identifies the data series. A unique color or pattern is assigned to different data series so that it is easily understood by the user. Types of charts. Excel provides us with a wide variety of charts. Let us study the commonly used charts in Excel. Column chart. It is the most commonly used chart for comparing different sets of information. It represents data in the form of vertical bars. Column chart has following subtypes: clustered column in 2D and 3D, stacked column in 2D and 3D, 100% stacked column in 2D and 3D, and cone and pyramid. Line chart. A line chart shows trends in data at equal intervals. It has following subtypes: line and stacked line, line with marker, 3D line. Pie chart. It is used to compare proportions, as it is displayed in the form of a pie. Each data value represents one slice of the pie. It has the following subtype: pie and pie of pie, bar of pie, pie in 3D. Bar chart. It represents the data in the form of horizontal bars and helps to compare individual items quickly and easily. It has the following subtypes: clustered bar in 2D and 3D, stacked bar in 2D and 3D, 100% stacked bar in 2D and 3D, cylinder cone and pyramid. Area chart. It is similar to the line chart except that the area under the lines are filled in. It is used to focus on different sets of data over a period of time and has the following subtypes: area in 2D and 3D, stacked area in 2D and 3D, 100% stacked area in 2D and 3D. XY scatter chart. It is also known as XY chart and is used to compare the pairs of values. It has the following subtypes: scatter with only markers, scatter with smooth lines and markers, scatter with straight lines and markers. Surface chart. It displays the data in a three-dimensional view and is used with large data sets. The colors in the chart distinguish values and not data series. The subtypes of surface charts are 3D surface, wireframe 3D surface, contour, wireframe contour. Donut chart. Donut chart is a built-in chart in Excel that displays data in rings where each ring represents a data series. It has the following subtypes: donut, exploded donut. Bubble chart. It is used to compare sets of three values and can be displayed with a 3D visual effect. The size of the bubble data marker indicates the values of a third variable. A bubble chart has following subtypes: bubble, bubble with a 3D effect. Creating a chart. The data in rows and columns of a worksheet can be used easily for creating different kinds of charts in Excel. You can create charts at two different places: in the current worksheet, as an object in separate worksheet in the current workbook. Let us learn how to create a chart on the worksheet. There are two ways to create a chart in Excel. Method 1. Step 1. Insert the data on Excel worksheet. Step 2. Select the range of cells from the worksheet. Step 3. Click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 4. In the Charts group, select a type of chart such as column. Step 5. Now, select the chart subtype from the drop-down list. Excel will create a chart and by default display it as an embedded chart. An embedded chart is created on the same worksheet as the data. Method 2. Step 1. Select the range of cells from the worksheet. Step 2. Press the F11 key that will create a default chart type, that is 2D column chart, and add a separate chart sheet to your worksheet. You can click on Data Sheets tab to get back to your data. Resizing, moving and deleting charts. Once you have embedded a chart in a worksheet, you can resize it, move it from one place to another, or even delete it if you wish. All you need to do is select the chart by moving the mouse pointer over the chart and clicking it. To resize the chart, keep the mouse pointer to any of the handles on the border of the selected chart. That is, where the mouse pointer changes to double-ended arrow. Then drag the handle in the desired direction. To move the chart, take the mouse pointer to the chart border and drag it to the desired place. To delete a chart, click anywhere on the chart to select it and then press the delete key. Formatting charts. You must have observed that as soon as you click on a chart, three new tabs appear on the ribbon: Design tab, Layout tab and Format tab, which display the various chart tools. Using these commands, you can do various changes in the chart. Let's learn them one by one. Changing the chart type. After creating a chart, you can change the chart type in Excel using the following steps. Step 1. Select a chart or one of the chart's element. Step 2. Then click the Design tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. Step 3. Click Change Chart Type button in the Type button group. Step 4. In the Change Chart Type dialog box, select the new chart type at the left side of the dialog box. Step 5. The different subtypes of the selected chart type then appear in the list at the right side of the dialog box. Click the specific chart subtype to apply. Step 6. Then click the OK button at the bottom of this dialog box. Your chart gets changed. Changing the chart style. After you create a chart, you can instantly change its look or style by following these steps. Step 1. Click the chart that you want to format. This displays the chart tools, adding the Design, Layout and Format tab. Step 2. On the Design tab in the Chart Styles group, click the chart style that you want to use. To see all predefined chart styles, click More. Save a chart as a chart template. If you want to create another chart, such as the one that you just created, you can save the chart as a template that you can use as the basis for another similar charts. Step 1. Click the chart that you want as a template. This displays the chart tools, adding the Design, Layout and Format tabs. Step 2. On the Design tab in the Type group, click Save as Template. Step 3. In the File Name box, type a name for the template. In Step 4, click Save. The chart template automatically appears in the Templates folder for charts. Recap Zone. A pictorial representation of numeric data is called charts or graphs. Chart area is the area in which all the components of a chart are present. Line chart shows trends in data at equal intervals. Bubble chart is used to compare sets of 3 values and can be displayed with a 3D visual effect. Charts can be created at 2 different places, in the current worksheet and as an object in separate worksheet in the current workbook.